guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my new slime kit that I got from Amazon. So let's begin. So what we've got is we've got gold and this pinkish glitter and this thing, you put it in shreds, balls, big and mini, glitter stuff, and all of these slimes. Like this one. So cool. Look at this. Well, so glossy as well. And I could play with this all day. Okay, let's close it back up before if we can. And then this blue slime. So cool. I just took it out immediately because I love blue. It's like a sky blue. I love it. We've got this clear thing. Yeah. And I love clear. Clear's like you can mix it. That's why I love it. Yeah. That's why I love slime, because I'm obsessed. Red cell. This is the red cell of blood. I'm joking. Just like a red slimy.
I like that color.
I think I would say this purple. Looks dark to me, but looks nice. I'm not used to purple yet because sometimes it's too dark, sometimes it's too light. So I think we're gonna get ready with this video now. Let's get started. Showed you everything. Now it's time to put the things in. Oh my god.
You don't do it fast. I'll just first stay with the InShot.
Oh, I love that color. But Mama, they can hear your voice inside the video. No, even in the InShot, they can still hear who's in the video. Yeah, I think we can all fit all these three for now. Okay. Okay, guys. Balls. I'm gonna put only a few because I'm going to make small things. Let's see. What about these blue beetles? What about there's so many things. I'll never go with these instead. These stars. That's all if we can open it. Yeah. Too much. Yeah, that's enough. And maybe we can mix one last thing. These beads look so cool to me. I just want to use them. Let's use these. Make it nice and blue. And open it slowly and take some beads. Oh, and everywhere. Oh, it's gone everywhere. Okay, I think it looks so good. But I feel I feel so proud for myself for some reason. Okay, I think we're done then. It's so good. I don't know why I'm so proud of myself. It's funny. Well, I need to pour.
Ooh, wow, look at that.
I don't really like doing this the most because it keeps me busy and stuff. And then this is the one thing I love. Okay, I like when I do this.
That looks nice.
Oh, so crunchy. Oops. Whenever I just squish it, it feels like. Have any of you heard of KSM Relaxing? I want to be just like them with slime. Comment down below if you heard of KSM Relaxing. Yeah. Okay, guys. So this. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video, and I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, and I think you should like and subscribe, because that's the thing that we always should do. And now this is the end of the video, and see you next time. Bye.